Okay, this is gonna be our last video on this closet. Here we go. You walk in, she got two storage units she's gonna put right here, right? But as you can see, let me try to move it back. We install some shelves right here. And they go on over. They go on over there. And we put the new floor in and we put a shelf right here. She's got a lot of shoes. So she said shoes gonna go here. So we made it if she could stack like 3 boxes of shoes and shoes gonna go on top of it. It's an old house, okay? Gotta notice the gaps. Yeah, we got gaps. Why? It's plaster walls, baby. House over 100 years old. But it's a closet. So we got some leniency to, make things work a little bit. We about to do our last bit of touch-up painting and put our last screws in here. But I wanted to make this video while the client wasn't here, so I could have not a lot of background noise. But what we did, we ended up doing, we had to put this on the wall. No, what I was going to do originally, I was just going to take and make these, put some backer board. I had to put some boards here because we got a 1x4 on the wall. Okay, we replaced a 1x4 that was there. All right, so to speed up the process instead of floating out the wall, we just put another 1x4 there. As you can see, the support brace is sitting on it. So to level it out, we had to put more wood because these are plaster walls. So what I was going to do is just do a small piece of wood behind the brace. But I came up with, okay, let me just run this all along here, a level, hit all the braces, and give her another option if she ever want to add some more hooks, to hang things, because we got, let me see, we got these hooks. We're gonna be putting these hooks in right here. Here's some more hooks she's gonna be putting in. We're gonna put these right here along here. So we just really wanted to show how nice this closet came out. It came out really nice. If you look at the beginning videos, it's just a storage closet. You can do a lot with a small space. Nice storage closet. These are just shelves just bought at Menards. Just run the angles. Just be a little creative with your storage. Now she can store a ton of stuff in here. She got a 6-foot pole. She can make it longer if she wants to. It's nice and braced. She can make it an 8-foot pole. But just wanted to show the end result of this video, of this closet. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and waiting on you, mama. Waiting to talk to you. All right.